Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am standing in front of what is going to be, inshaAllah ta'ala, the largest Islamic center in America. We only have a few more days left until closing. This is a very, very urgent appeal to all of my brothers and sisters, not just in America, but across the globe. We have to close by the 31st of January this year. We need to raise by the 31st of January $1 million, inshaAllah ta'ala. We are at 5.1 million in pledges and donations, $2 million of loans, which puts us at 7.1 million. We need to raise 1 million more to get to 8.1 million. So that would mean if 10,000 people can give $100, that puts us at 1 million. Or if 1,000 people give $1,000, that would also put us at 1 million. So this is within our reach, inshallah ta'ala. Let us please try and close on this building. We cannot lose this deal. We want this to be the hub of America. We want this to be the hub of learning. We want this to be the hub of knowledge. So please help us secure this building and donate today. Do not skip over this video without donating. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.